Nan.
Okay, naintindihan nyo ba? Pa-review nga kung ilang categories yung naisulat nyo dyan or something.
7 po.
7.
Okay. So, mag-recap muna tayo. Tignan natin if you understood what we have discussed. Sige, question. Which of the following is a key foundation of remote work? Which of the following is a key foundation of remote work?
Time tracking software.
Time tracking
Sagot.
software.
Sagot, guys. Sagot.
Time tracking software.
Time tracking software po.
The correct answer is cloud computing.
Cloud computing.
Mag-remote ka for time tracking lang, no? The foundation of that is cloud computing. Ibig sabihin, pag work on the cloud, di ba? Nandun na lahat kasi sa cloud yung mga documents. Okay, next. Which tool is recommended for email and calendar management?
Outlook. Outlook.
Outlook.
Sure ka na ba?
Evernote, ma'am.
Evernote.
Outlook.
Microsoft Outlook.
Itong
Microsoft
Itong Evernote, note lang yan. Wala siyang
Microsoft
screen dyan. Ang sagot dyan is
Outlook.
Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Outlook. Okay? Next. What is the key advantage of using integrated time tracking and invoicing tools? So, pinaghalo na daw yung time tracking at saka invoicing tools. What is the advantage of that?
They automatically
generate invoice from track time.
A, B, C, or D. Sinadya ko lang hindi lagyan ng A, B, C, D para kasi para hindi nyo sasaloonin yung A, B, C. Dapat yung sagot talaga alam nyo.
B.
Yung second one. The answer here is the second one. They automatically generate invoices from track time. Doon naman yung sagot naman ay nasa tanong din, di ba? Integrated time tracking at saka invoicing tools. Ibig sabihin yung dalawang yun ang sagot. Yeah? Okay, next. Next question. According to the lesson, not according to what you have Googled, what should a VA do to future-proof your career? So, paano ka magiging sure na ang career mo ay may patutunguhan in the future? Ano daw ang gagawin?
explore emerging technologies regularly.
The emerging technologies.
I hope naman nagte-take down notes kayo para pag nag-quiz kayo later, hindi kayo zero. Okay, next. Sige, what is the main purpose of using project management software like ClickUp, Asana, or Trello? What is the main purpose?
For
Communication.
and then collaboration.
To track task deadlines, and collaboration. Next question. Which emerging trend involves conversational agents handling customer service? So, may mga conversation agents daw.
AI-powered chatbot.
Correct. Okay. AI-powered chatbots. Next, which technology allows VAs to understand and respond to human language?
NLP.
NLP.
Chain
machine learning.
Anong machine learning? Machine learning
NLP.
is when the machine learning is when the AI starts to learn how to converse with you according to your interaction with it. So, hindi machine learning ang sagot dyan.
NLP.
Natural language processing.
NLP is the correct answer. Okay? O, sige. So, yung mga nag-take down notes, mukhang perfect score Sige nga. Okay, next. What is the primary benefit of using AI in virtual assistants?
Automating
repetitive tasks and improving
decision.
Yes. Siyempre, di-automate, di ba? Automate ang sagot dyan. Automating. Okay. So now, what does immersive collaboration technology include? Anong kasama sa immersive collaboration technology?
Immersive.
Time tracker.
virtual reality meeting spaces.
Yung
Virtual
tatlo,
reality meeting space.
okay. Yung tatlo dyan, na-summarize na dun sa isa.
Mm-mm.
Okay. So, ano sagot?
Virtual
Virtual reality.
Virtual reality meeting.
Yes, virtual reality meeting spaces. Okay.
Video
Which category of tools o category ang tinatanong includes Google Drive and Dropbox? Saan siya na bibilang?
Document management.
tools.
Correct. Okay, next.
Management.
What is the role of password managers like LastPass?
To store and
Password
generate
strong
password security.
Privacy.
Oh, obvious naman yung sagot dyan, no? Obvious na yan. Okay. Pag hindi nyo pa na-gets, ay ewan ko na lang. Okay. Which of the following is listed as a productivity and automation tool?
Zoom.
Zoom.
Okay, syempre, yun naman. Kasi the rest are not for productivity and automation. Okay. Which tool helps create encrypted connections on public networks? Ito daw yung...
NordVPN.
NordVPN.
Correct. Okay. Gumagamit pa kayo ng NordVPN?
May bayan.
Oo, syempre, lahat naman may bayad, walang free. Wala nang libre ngayon. Okay, what is the recommended approach when starting with BA tools? Ano daw yung dapat gagawin natin?
Master one
category
each
first.
category first.
Master 1.
Learn all.
Okay? To learn all, dapat isa-isa. Alam nyo, for each category, dapat meron kayo isang master. Okay?
Category.
Alright. Sunod.
Reduce risk of unauthorized
This is
access.
unauthorized access.
Okay, that's correct. Wala naman ako narinig na ibang sagot. Okay, next. Oh, andyan na yung sagot sa tanong.
Automatically generate invoices.
Automatically generate invoices.
Sunod. Next.
Without coding.
Without coding na to. Click-click na lang. Zapier.
Google Drive.
Zapier.
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 Yes, Zapier. Bakit nag-Google Drive?
Zapier.
It's an automate workflow, no? Automating workflow. Wala namang automatic sa Google Drive ngayon. Wala pa siya. Wala pa, okay? Wala pa sa Google Drive ang automation. Puro mano-mano pa rin doon, okay? Unless it's integrated with other softwares. Okay, so I want you guys, I'll give you 15 minutes to go to the portal, okay? And please read your lesson notes muna, or your notes, the one you have written down on your notes. Then you take the quiz and don't forget to put your name on the leaderboard, please. So puntahan nyo ang portal and take the quiz there, okay? 15 minutes, ha?